Welcome back to my channel. It's ElleKosGlam. I'm so glad to be back from a broke leg. Everybody, if you know me, in January, the end of January, beginning of February, my leg was broke. I wasn't able to film as much, but now I am back. I miss you all. Thank you for the hugs. Thank you for all the well wishes. They did help. I'm 100% back, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Today we're going to do a look. This is the dress that I'm wearing this evening. We are aboard the Mardi Gras Carnival ship. We are with our beautiful group. We have some beautiful people with us, and I love to sail with our groups. And if you want to sail with us, give us a call, 877-697-4470. I am a co-owner of a franchise with my husband, who is the love of my life. Everybody know that. This is a traveler, and we board ships. This is what we do. We travel. We live life to the fullest, and I want you to come along with me and live it with me. So let's get into this look. I'm gonna try to do a clean girl look. As you can see, my skin is very shiny and glowy today because I've been really trying to take care of it since I've been down, but thanks be to God, I am healed, and I am just so blessed and honored to be back serving and doing my purpose in life, and that's helping you. So let's do this clean girl look. I'm gonna just be using a few products today, and I'm gonna do a voiceover because it's easier for me to do a voiceover. And if you're wondering, these are my press-on nails that I love so much, and I can link them below if you want to grab them. I have my hair up in a bun, and my skin is nice and clean. I'm gonna moisturize it again. I've been doing a lot with my skin lately, so let's get started. One more thing, if you're wondering, this is what I carry my makeup in. I love this. This is from Amazon. I love to keep everything nice and compact when I'm traveling, and I like to be very organized. I'm on a 7-day cruise, and this is as much makeup as I bring. Below it is, I'll just try to show you what's in here. There you go. That's all the makeup. And in the bottom, this container works wonders. You don't even have to bring that much. And the bottom is like my lashes and foundations and things that won't fit up top. So I like to be very conservative when I'm traveling. I like to be organized, and I can share some more things like that. One of my subscribers said, you should share how you travel. I said, of course I could do that. Any other suggestions, comment below and let me know, and I can get started for you. So I just wanted to show you that organizer. It'll be down below for you. And there's Mr. Traveler. He coming in right now.
Very nice. Thermal spot.
Say hi, babe.
Hi, baby.
Okay, and one more thing. These are the lashes that I'll be using today. These are wispies. These are Kiss wispies, and these are my favorite. And I just cut them because they come in a pack of 6, so I just cut them down. And when I'm traveling, I cut pieces out. I don't wear a lot of lashes. I like to cut them down and make them look like mascara. And let's get started. So we have our lashes, we have our makeup, everything is ready, and I'm going to start with moisturized face. I usually moisturize my face before I start anything, and I start also with a primer. All of my products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below, and if you need to know what I'm using, I'm going to kind of skip over it, but you can just go ahead and look below, and I'll definitely put down there what I'm using. So I'm going to moisturize my face before I put makeup on because I have not worn makeup in months. It's been months, and I've been trying to get my skin together, going to the spa, trying to go to an esthetician to let them look at it. I've been to a dermatologist, and I'm trying to really concentrate on my skin because I do not like wearing foundation. And I don't know if you know that about me. I'll wear concealer before I wear foundation. I'm trying to get away from it because I really love the clean girl look and the light makeup lately. Since I'm getting older, I'm over 50 now, and I just want to kind of take better care of my skin and better care of myself from the inside out. So I'm using LA Pro Concealer. It's a couple dollars. You can get it anywhere. And I'm going to use this darker color because I'm a little tanned. Right now we are on the Mardi Gras on this video, but we just got off the MSC World, and let me tell you, that was the toughest cruise I've ever did. I've did 100 cruises, and this was the toughest cruise I've ever did. The ship was beautiful. The staff was amazing. Sometimes when we travel, we do these cruises and we don't think about who we're traveling with, and sometimes it'll throw us off. You know, if somebody don't like the ship, or if somebody is, you know, kind of acting out of the ordinary, I don't know how to handle that. I'm used to just traveling with my husband or my group, but when you get people who dislike the ship, it's hard to travel with them. So comment below and let me know, how do you deal with people like that? I don't know, but some people, they don't tell the whole story of why they don't like a particular ship. And it's always a background story. So if you want to know more about it, you probably have to call me or we'll talk. But for some reason, this particular sailing, out of 100 cruises, I've been on a cruise every single month this year. And I'm blessed to say that it was really hard. It was hard. I'm not used to dealing with characters and personalities, but I'm learning as an entrepreneur and going into owning and, you know, building my business. It's a lot of behind the scenes that goes on. I run 2 channels, ElleKosGlam and Mr. Traveler, and I do the best I can with those. And I appreciate everybody who's been following us for years. I'm talking about 25 years we've been on YouTube. So we are the OGs of YouTube. We decided to start filming our own family, and then we branched off into YouTube, and we go all the way back to MySpace. Right here, I use a body brush for my foundation because it gets inside my pores easily, and I love this brush, and I can go ahead and link everything below. So getting back to what I was talking about, I realized that to build character, when you have ownership in a company, you have to have a strong foundation. And I am so blessed to say that I do have that. I have been raised by strong women all my life, and I have some motivation there, and I have some people to look up to, so I appreciate that. But when times get hard, that is the most challenging thing ever, because it's easier to go to work and punch a clock than it is to run a business, and I have to remember my purpose here and why I'm here and what I do. So that's why I'm right back on YouTube, and I appreciate all the comments down below and everything. Thank you so much for everybody who has stood by our side 100% and supported our channels, both me and Mr. Traveler and ElleKosGlam, and everybody who has cruised with us and said, wow, we got you, and it's so nice meeting you, and you stop me and you hug me, or you say hello. I appreciate that. But then you have those other people who their families don't even want to be bothered with them, so then they follow us, and it's like, you know, we don't even know how to deal with that. But I am learning, I am getting stronger, and when you bring to it, you can get through it. So I've been through worse, but I'm going to get through this, and while I do it, I'm going to go keep doing my makeup, and I'm going to keep styling, keep slaying, and what got me here will keep me here. So anyway, I'm using a body brush on my face, and I'm going to go ahead and blend in the contour. And the secret to doing your contour is you want to make sure you get about 3 or 4 shades darker. You want to add it to your cheeks, your forehead, nose, and I do a little under my lip. There I go. There's just a little bit. And I also add the color to my eyelids. I don't use a lot of shadow on my eyes because I'm going to use a golden shimmery look tonight. I'm going to do a lot of highlighting. So I really don't want a lot of heavy makeup. Just bronze, look like I have a tan, golden, you know how the sun hits you at the right hour. That's the look I'm going for. So anyway, I appreciate everybody who clicked on this video. If you love it, could you go ahead and make sure you subscribe? That's what keeps us going, keep us supported, and we appreciate it. If you really, really love it, give me a thumbs up, and I can continue to do videos like this again. And I love to teach makeup. I love skincare. I love health, wellness, anything that has to do with the body. As you know, I used to work in surgery, so I'm used to seeing the body from on the inside. But now, since I'm older, I like to take care of myself because I have the pleasure and experience of working around some fantastic doctors who gave me advice that I have for life. So I would like to give it to you. I don't know, maybe I'll put it in video form one day, what I used to do. I don't know. But I've been this way since I was pretty much born. I love to play in my mother's makeup, and I love to get dressed, and I was that kid that was walking around with her heels on at 2. My mother heels. That's who I'm referring to. So anyway, I'm going to take this really pointy brush. It's a very stern, firm brush, and I'm going to blend out the concealer. That's just a concealer stick. That is no eyeshadow up there. And that's my secret for making my makeup last all day. I just take the concealer and just blend it out and make it look like eyeshadow. And then it lasts all day. I love the look. I love a real blended look, a really well blended look. So I'm going to keep doing that. And I hope you're enjoying this conversation. I usually don't talk over my videos anymore, but I say, you know what? 2026 is coming. I want to just rebrand my channel. I want you to comment below and let me know what you would like to see from me. And I do a lot of traveling. I got a whole lot of cruises and resorts stacked up for next year, and I'm excited, and I am so honored to be able to do it. So we have a family cruise that's coming up in January. I can't wait to go. I get to be with some people who I love, which is my family. You don't hear me talking a lot about my family, but they are there. They support us as well in their own ways. So I'm going to use this Benefit eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to lightly brush in strokes on my eyebrows. I have pretty full eyebrows. They're not really sparse, but I just kind of brush in whatever hairs is not there. They don't never look the same. That's why I was looking like that. Like, oh my goodness, I can never get them to look the same. They are not sisters, they are cousins. So I try to brush in any hairs that's missing, and I like to blend that in as well. And the nails that I'm wearing, those are actually press-ons. And I'm getting into a lot of press-ons. I haven't been to the nail salon in a very long time. And I'm not really planning on going back anytime soon, because I'm finding that these press-on nails are just as good as salon nails. And I used to get my nail tech to make me press-ons, so I really like that as well. So I've been getting into a lot of nails. You'll be seeing that on my social media. If you want to, you can follow me on Facebook, ElleKosGlam, or you can follow me on Instagram on ElleKosGlam as well. You can see me on the daily. So I'm going to brush these eyebrows out. I think they look pretty good so far. I'm going to use MAC Pro Concealer, and I'm going to go around my eyebrows very, very lightly. You can't take it away once you put too much on there, so I like to start off small and just lightly with a light hand, go under it. Like I said, I have a little bit of a tan right now, so the color may be a little light, but I just do the best I can, with it. The dress that's behind me, I'm going to really show that dress to you. I found this dress on Amazon, and I thought it was so elegant. I'm 5'9". I'm kind of curvy yet petite. I'm tall but curvy, and the dress fits amazing, as you will see at the end of this video if you stay with me that long. So I want you to comment below and let me know what you've been going through lately. How have you been doing? And are you traveling more since the beginning of this year, or are you traveling more next year? And did you travel more last year, and will you be traveling more this year, the year that's coming up? The new year is almost here, and I'm excited to get through the year. I'm glad to complete this year. You know, it's been really tough. Like I said, I've been cruising every month, and I'm starting to get with the 3-4 day cruises. For some reason, I'm really liking those. But for the majority, the cruises that we cruised this year, all was 7 days. We only went on about 2 or 3 day, and it seemed like you don't even unpack. It's not long enough for me. Comment below and let me know if you ever been on a 3-day, 4-day cruise. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to blend in the smoky eye look with this brush, this stippler brush. And I took the eyeliner, and let me tell you, my favorite eyeliner is ELLE. I've spent a lot of money on makeup. I spent a lot of money on clothes. When I used the ELLE eyeliner, I could not believe the quality. It was like $2-3. And I could spend $50 easily, like on some lipstick or, you know, some eyeshadow or something. ELLE never fails me. It never fails me. It come out liquidy. It dries down matte. I don't know what formula they use, but I'm the type of person, I like to take my makeup off easily. So here's my Dior brand new blush that I tried. And I'm starting to get into Dior a lot. I'm starting to realize that the makeup looked really good on me, and it lasts all day. Since I travel so much, I can't really, you know, cheap out on some makeup that don't last. So I use a lot of Dior lately, and I'm loving their lip glosses and blushes. I think I want to try the concealers and the foundations, but we'll see. So I'm going to take this, this is Laura Mercier, and I'm going to take it and just place it where I want it to be. I don't take the powder and put it all over my face. I like to target where I want the powder to be because I like a glowy look. So that's it. Here's my lashes on. I had to do those off camera because I had to concentrate. So this is my MAC brown pencil. I'm going to use that to outline my lips here because, like I said, I want to go for a glowy, highlighted, clean girl look. So I really want to focus on my lips here and do a specific outline for my lips to make them pop when I use that gold L'Oreal lipstick. And it's a really pretty color, and it looks really, really good, especially on brown skin. Any color can really use it. And this is the MAC pencil that I'm showing here that I'm using. There it is. That's the gold lipstick. I always use this as a base, and I put quite a few coats on because L'Oreal, I don't know, when I go to dinner I eat, so it comes off. I don't want it to come off easily. That's why I put so many coats on, and I like to pack it on just to make it look good. And I also put it on my cheeks as a highlighter, as you can see, and it makes your skin glow. You can use it as a highlighter or a lipstick. I love it. Here is my Dior lavender. It's like a clear lavender color, and I put it right on top of the gold, and it looks so pretty. It's such a pretty lip combo. We all set. This is the final look. This is the dress. I got the dress on Amazon. It'll be linked below, as well as my shoes, which are Uggs that I'll be wearing. And this is the final look. I have a top bun, a soft clean girl look, light lashes that's wispy, and we all set. This is the look. Yes, it's black and white night for me and Mr. Traveler. This is the final look for me. This is the clean girl look. It's really, really golden. Living my life like it's golden. We are on our way to dinner. It's formal night, and I'm wearing a black and white dress. I'll put the D's down below. I'm wearing wedges. Fun fact, I haven't worn heels since I broke my leg, so this is my first time. I'm very wobbly, but this dress was so pretty, I just had to show you it. It's very flowy, very pretty. Mr. Traveler is wearing navy blue and white. He's mad because he left his black pants at home. That's okay. He got a linen, this is Tommy Bahama, the shirt, and he's wearing some Louis Vuitton loafers, and they just came out. They are so cute. I'll get a close-up later for you. This is our look for tonight, and I hope you enjoy it.
Time for dinner.
Time for dinner.